friends, welcome back to Ryan and Claire's World of Fun. Hi everyone, Claire here. Tonight I'm going to be making dinner for my family. I'm going to be making the best ever crunchiest croquette. Alright, let's start peeling and chopping potatoes. Detailed ingredient list and description. Don't forget to check them out. Peel and cut the potatoes into small pieces. Steam them for about 15 minutes. While the potatoes are in the steamer, let's sizzle up some bacon. Ooh, look, the potatoes are done. What should we do next? Let's mash them. Alright, my brother Ryan took over this step. Thank you, Ryan. Excellent job. Mash the potato until there's no large chunks in it, and then mix in the bacon. Next, we prepare some breadcrumbs. Mix some oil in the breadcrumbs. Whisk 3 eggs in a bowl, or a plate bowl. Ooh, don't forget to preheat your oven. Scoop a small portion of potato. Put a little bit shredded cheese in the center. And then roll to a bowl. Coat each bowl with egg and then breadcrumb. Here's the secret of making it the most crunchiest croquette. And that is to recoat it one more time. Roll it in the egg and then roll it in the breadcrumb. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Look how gorgeous they are. Time to bake. While the cheesy croquettes are in the oven, we cook some sweet corn. I made a fresh salad. And we sizzled some sausages. Ta-da! Oh my god, they look so good! And the cheese is oozing out. You can choose your own toppings. We just use tomato sauce and mayonnaise. It's crunchy, it's cheesy, it's mushy, and it's delicious. And here comes the complete dinner plate. And me and Ryan are very proud of ourselves.
Hey, Mike.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Try this at home because it's so good. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!